Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. It's already 4:14. Yeah, hamog. Ay, ano yung wala. Ano ba yan? Kasi umulan. Maambon everyone. Today, ayan, madilim dito kasi natatakpan ng mga halaman. Today is Friday, everyone. Friday. So, Friday, everyone. Alam niyo na, whole day out. Okay. Tapos, ayun lang, everyone. Mag-iba ako ng journey mamaya pa uwi. So, ayan. Ay, thank you Lord. Nakatulog ako ng tulog na hindi ko na namalaya ng iba pang mga nangyayari sa akin pinapanood. Pero natapos ko ang tanggol. After that kasi, may mga susunod bang mga YouTube followers, yung ganyan. Ayun lang. But at the moment, foggy yun. Foggy ngayon dito sa UK dahil umulan kahapon magdamag. Kaya ayan lang everyone. God bless and samahan niyo ako sa aking journey ngayong maghapong ito. Bye at the moment. Ayan everyone, good morning. Kain tayo. Bakit iisa lang kasi yung susi nun, sis? Sino nagbigay sa'yo nun? Wala kang susi? Wala. Ayan everyone, good morning. After 3 hours, my train is here. Going to the 11.
This is South Kensington.
I'm going here at
This
the
is a District
other
Line train to
side.
Ealing Broadway. The next station is Gloucester Road.
See you after Elizabeth Line. I'm going to Hanwell. Today is Friday, everyone. Finally, I am here at around 10. So, no need to take the stairs. Just the lift. See you later. I'm going to Costco. Wala akong ulan. Okay. I'm here at gonna take my Elizabeth line, everyone. But I have no water. I forgot. And yan everyone. The weather is foggy and rainy, tiny rain. So now it's already 10:06. So I'm going inside. Ayan everyone, it's already 10:10. I'm here already in Hanwell. Very quick. Yeah. My train's going. See you later after 3 hours. Mag-work ako dito ng 3 hours lang kasi may urgent meeting ako. Ayan. Hindi ko na patagalin pa, dire-diretso na. Wala nang chika-chika kay amo. kailangan dire-diretso na yan. Yan lang everyone. Mamaya dyan ako sa kabilang side pag uwian na. Yun, ay, naku po. Wala pa naman akong, wala yung sombrero ko, naiwan ko sa kabod. So, wala. Malamig. Kita ko sa inyo. Foggy. I'm gonna use the lift. Going to slow. The weather is so cold and foggy. So let us wait for the lift. Someone is crying. Yeah, subway door. Okay. Someone is crying, the baby. Ang lamig sa ulo, grabe. Hindi ako sanay ng walang sombrero. Need to top this. Yan, dito na. Tawid ako. Mag-turn left lang. Doon. Turn left. And then, it's cold. Grabe. Kalimutan ko yung sombrero. Meron ditong bagong gawa na gate. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ganda, diba? Ganda ng style. Pwede kaya yan sa atin. Ay! Mamaya pala. Pag uwian, pipicturan ko. Para, yun lang everyone. See you later. Mamaya after 3 hours ng trabaho dito kay Tina. Ito pala yung binili ko kanina everyone. I'm done with my 3 hours plus 1 hour traveling. Plus, ito yung lunch ko. Yeah. Tapos, mali pa yung nabili kong water. I buy sparkling water. Diyos ko dahil sa kakamadali. Naduling-duling na yung aking mata. Ayan. Everyone, pupunta na tayo sa Elizabeth Station. But at the moment, everyone. Ayan, everyone. Nakatulog ako. Kaya, ayan. Naglagpas na naman ako. Pero, this is the right way. Going to Metropolitan. Kanina, nalagpas lang ako. So, the first time I passed by at here is the highest escalator. Oh, it's scary. I can't play my video. So now, I'm fine. Doing very well. Okay, everyone. See you when I see you. Everyone, nandito ako. Naglakad ako dito. Kasi wala nga yung sombrero ko. Hindi ako tingin ako kung may mabilhan dito na sombrero. Meron ditong shopping area dito sa may Algate East. Since maaga pa. It's just 2:30. Meron pa akong 2 hours. Yeah. Yun lang everyone. May mataas din ditong building. Kaya, it's like I'm in Makati.
It's the pavements.
Yeah, I'm always.
No, I'll do that.
Can you help me to stand up,
Yeah.
please? Oh my my Jesus. You ready? Huh? Yeah. No, not yet at the moment.
Need a hand?
Yes, please. I need a hand. Oh my God.
Give me that.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay. Steady. Yeah, thank you so much.
Of course. It's the pavement. It's the pavement.
Yeah. The pavement in UK is not good. I'm always in a hurry. I'm just in a hurry to walk. Just to walk. No, but suddenly
It's not even. They're very
Yeah, so
No, I had a water already. Yeah, thank you so
for that.
much.
Your water's open. It's spilling. Yes.
Ayan everyone, good afternoon. Diyan ako pupunta dapat sa Sports Direct. Yan yung bilihan ng mga kasi wala na, sarado na. Wala na pala sila. Ayan lang. So I have nothing to do except back to back to na. Grabe, nadapa pa ako sa pavement. Buti na lang hindi ako hindi nabali na naman yung paa ko. Yung kabila naman. The left side. Yun lang everyone. See you later. Yan everyone. Ay, naku. Nadapa ako. So, I buy the new cock dahil umaambon. Ang hirap pag walang sombrero. Naiwan ko po yung sombrero ko dun sa kontrabaho. Doon sa Imperial, sa board namin. So, hindi ko na binalikan dahil sayang ang oras. I'm rushing. So, nadapa ako. Ang sakit ng aking Buti, hindi ako napasubsog. Nalaglag lang yung salamin ko, yung bag ko. Tapos yung cellphone ko, tapon. And then, ang sakit tuloy ng ganito. Kayang dito. Ang inaano ko yung paa ko, buti hindi na gano'n. Ito pa naman yung kaliwa. So, yun lang everyone. At mag-start ako ngayon ng tamang oras. Hindi maaga. Busog na ako kasi nakakain naman na ako. Along the way, nalagpas ako kanina sa Liverpool. Papunta ng nakasakay ng Elizabeth line. Sakot ang mundo ko. Nagising ako Whitechapel. Hindi pa ako bumaba dun. So, ayun. Yun lang everyone. See you later again after 4 hours. And they are my colleagues na 3, si George. And the rabbit is still there. So, I might go home now. I'm going home now. And because it's raining, raining. So, no one is no people in the street. They are look. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. See you later after 2 trains and 450 steps. Bye! Everyone, andito na ako sa bahay. Yan lang, madilim na ulit. Yan lang, everyone, bye at the moment. See you when I see you. See you when I see you. See you when I see you. Ooh. Good evening, everyone. Andito na ako sa cage ko. Ayan ang aking hapunan. While watching tango.